Welcome to the video. Well, let's go and have some fun with Kiro. Everything is settled in the sense that we've got an ISO, we've got an ISO builder, we have the main desktops, and let's say it, the main tiling window managers. The only thing we don't have, probably will never have, is Wayland, right? There is Hyprland, there is Wayfire, there is Sway, there is Mango, there is, what did I forget? Right? All of those choices. Does that mean you're left out? No. All right. Start with Kiro. I have got an example here to just play around with it. So this is basically just at this point in time, Kiro. Then we boot this thing up. It's running already. Double click. Okay, it's starting. View. Full screen. Okay. So this is your the latest build, download, install. Well, you got the XFCE and you got ohmychadwm, my own take on DWM actually, right? In essence, that's where everything started. Voilà. So we got XFCE. This is your QEMU. We still need to have internet. If that's not working, we need to go and set that again. In the meantime, let's go for display and tell them that a little bit more of real estate here. Not that much, but still, right? Looks better. Now the network. Is there a reason why I can't have the internet? All right. We update normally, right? On clean install, first thing you do, you update things, and yes, there are things to address, to get in. And then I see I only have, I don't have the CachyOS, and that's basically the topic of the video. So, two things. I'm used to be more a kind of guy that says, okay, let's do this. Edit basically what you need. I've never shown you this, I think, yet in the video. That's it, right? And what did we do? We created a fancy application to do that, right? ArchLinux Tweak Tool. You go to Pacman and you say on or off. That's it. Okay. And it takes a lot of code to achieve two hashtags, right? So if we update again, we have now access to CachyOS. Now here comes the bombshell, right? Kiro is focusing on XFCE, Plasma, Budgie, Cinnamon, and all the tiling window managers, but never on Wayland. Sudo pacman -s Cachy. It's gonna be a long list. CachyOS tab. All of these are at your disposal. Never ever install the guys that are called CachyOS Calamares, right? CachyOS Calamares. That's for something else. It's not for your real machine. That's to install things. But if you take a look at all those packages, what could interest you? Here's Hyprland, i3, KDE, Mango, Niri, and a nice one at that. I've installed it already on Real Metal. Niri settings, themes maybe. Open box settings, Qtile maybe, Wayfire, and I skipped Niri. Oh yeah, there he is. So Hyprland, Niri, Wayfire, check. Sway, no. Mango, yes. And probably others that we're missing that are also Wayland things. So the topic of this video, it's set Hyprland. That means I need to just activate CachyOS's repo. I don't need to develop anything. I don't need to maintain anything. I don't need to explain anything. You run this. Be my guest to figure that out, right? I tried 2 works, and one I think as well might be on niri that I tried it, right? So these 3, one of those, normally I say take the default, right? So let's follow my own rule. I can do this as a developer to help you around to these questions like that. If I change something in the package build, then you get a nice yes/no thing. This means the dot files are out. Lots of settings are out, but it's out in the etc/skel. Any dot file, anything that we delivered is already in your home directory by now, right? So it's not that bad. What happens is CachyOS gets control over certain packages. You are overwriting and no longer being a pure Kiro, right? As long as you realize that, that's fine. Now look what they give. And that's one of the reasons I don't want to go the Wayland way, right? Niri, Wayfire, Hyprland, they can't coexist. They will always clash with each other. So it's, I think, the wisest choice to go for one of them and see if that, if you like it and if it's feasible and it's workable, it's fine, it doesn't clash with other things you're doing, right? So you're getting Alacrity config in from CachyOS. Wallpapers, okay, right? That's benign, that's okay. All kind of hyper stuff. Even kconfig here, kcore add-on, so kind of Plasma stuff. Why? Because CachyOS has Plasma on board by default. They make their package for their system, right? Is that the problem for you? You have to figure it out. If it is, make your own scripts. But this is a good starting point, I hope. CachyOS Hyprland settings. This triggers all that. 223, 338, 383, wow. And yes, here we go. So it was always available. That's the point of the video. It has been there all along. Now, a super X is maybe enough. Let's try. Maybe a reboot is necessary. It's entirely up to you to figure out how that works, right? But Hyprland is here. And all the help, well, you need to go to CachyOS, right? You need to figure out how does this work. Warning, you're using an auto-generated config, edit the config file to get rid of this message, okay? Super Q kitty and super M. Super Q depends QWERTY AZERTY, right? But kitty is a no-go for us, we don't know kitty. Super M, if this is M, it's not, and this is M, that's working. So before you go there, I would go to something that works. So you go pacman -s kitty, right? So you make a script that says, oh, I want to have Hyprland. That's the only package you need to type, plus kitty. So that's that. We have kitty. No. Let's see if we need anything else. We log out, go to Hyprland, so this one. So super Q, is that the Q? That is the Q. Enter, 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 right? That's where we are. That thing up there is annoying. Okay, where are the config files? As usual, cd dot, whoops, my problem, right? Not yours. 80% has QWERTY, Dubois hasn't. So cd, here is a dot, config, and then hyper, stop, ls, Hyprland Lua. Okay, there is something already. Okay, let's edit this. So nano Now, Hyprland Lua. Auto-generated Hyprland edit this configuration according to the wiki instructions. So you go read, guys. Edit this config according to the wiki instructions. Go read. CachyOS. This needs to go. Remove this line to get the warning gone. This is an example. Hyprland configuration. That's a wiki. You should add all kinds of things there. There's a monitor. Local terminal is kitty. Right, here's the time to change it. If you say nope, a la gritty. Dolphin, they have Plasma, right? We have Lunar. We have XFCE. So our system is that. And Hyperlauncher is good. So something to launch the menu, to launch applications. Auto start is super important. What do you want to auto start? Well, oops, that one, that one, that one, and that one. We'll see if Waybar, Hyperpaper, Firefox. I don't want Firefox to launch at the first launch, right? That's just an example that they give. Terminal is defined up there. And a maplet is something we have on Kiro, so that's cool. And I suppose the end is necessary too, although I'm not sure. Visually, yeah, it's the quote up there. I see it now. So in here it starts and here it ends, and the rest is okay. Don't need commas here. Okay, and I go on. One of the other things I don't like is QWERTY. QWERTY. Look and feel. Gaps, it's up to you to decide the size of the gaps. But somewhere down the list is QWERTY. Input. US. Never mind. BE, right? And go on. Gestures of all kinds. Key bindings, file manager. Here is the file manager. And we need to remember main mod will be super, I suppose, super E. We use super shift enter. So if I were to work on Hyprland, I would use my own key bindings, right? The one that we have on all our systems, on our tiling window managers. But that's entirely up to you to decide how you launch things. So you go over the list, sound is there, and so on and so on and so on. Super X, unknown sequence, Control X, save, yes please. Okay, and then we get out of here. That was a Q, and the Q was an M or a Q? M. All right, write it down. Ta-da! Right, we've got a Waybar. Now, the machine thinks I have a huge amount of space, I think, although the screen layout, right? So the screen layout is not good. What we best to do maybe is start from the root and then say dot config and then hyper and then that one. So immediately you're there where you need to be. And I have to tell them somehow what size it's on. Output mode preferred, position auto, scale auto. So I would think I need to go read how this works, right? Can we click actually? Yay, you can click. And then you have to look, okay, output DPA -1. We have Xrender and so on. But do I have, is this stopping here? I think it is. It's actually, my mouse can't move to the edge. So it might be, so preferred, this might be my settings actually. Whoa. This might be my setting, what I see up there. So instead of preferred, let's try it out. 920 on, is an X? Yeah. 1080, and I think I'm not on 44. But on 60 Hertz, Control X, yes, enter. Nothing happens. I would have thought it would immediately apply. Log out, log in. Okay. It is saved. That's already something. Block allow. Oh my God. Thank you. We have HyperCTL monitors all, but I don't have any desktops. A bit strange. What was it again? The Q? Yeah. HyperCTL monitors. What are they called? Virtual 1. Output. There you are. Virtual -1. Control X. Yes, please. And nothing changes. This is not normal. I think they should immediately react. Position auto, scale auto. The scale was wrong. If I remember correctly, there was something with the scale, and now it comes back to me. Super F, no. Super Shift F, no. So no full screen. We'll have to do with this. I can Super C, yes, Super C. Control F here, yeah. So I was thinking the scale, the scale setting is wrong in Hyprland VirtualBox. Was it 1? Aha, that's better, right? So it was scale 1, a common example. Erik, a common example. Yeah, figured it out on my own. Thanks, guys. It's okay, we learn. All right, but this is all the steps you should take. What I don't know, and that's entirely up to you guys. So we get this. That's, I think, the default waybar, and I don't see any desktops here. So normally we get a 1. The cursor looks strange as well. There seems to be 2 cursors now. Here is 1, and here are 2. Up to you to figure that out. But my point is clear, right? There's this Kiro. It has Hyprland. Go and find stuff for Hyprland. This is a great place to learn things, but I'm pretty sure I have no recollection of the names, but there are people out there who write scripts, Hyprland scripts, theme, panel, dot files, and have a look what you find, because there are pre-configured setups. We go into here. Voila, there is one. ML4W, watch all my videos. So YouTube, same channel as Kiro, same YouTube, made all those videos. It's still probably relevant, right? It still has, it's just had an update, that's it. So have a look. So Yakulit, maybe you like that one, or End4. Basically, that's what you need to have to make this running. But it's there for you to grab. The code is free. GitHub, go for it and find out, read what he says, ask if there are issues here, pull requests, discussions, go for it, and make Kiro Hyprland the best system there is. All right, have fun.